If Google Drive is showing a server encountered an error message, don't worry, this is usually something you can fix in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll walk you through the simplest step-by-step troubleshooting method so you can get Google Drive working again without wasting time. And if this guide helps you out, please hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes and tutorials. First, start with the easiest solution. Refresh the Google Drive page. You can press F5 on your keyboard or use Ctrl+R if you're on Windows. A simple refresh often clears temporary loading issues and gets the page working again right away. If that doesn't fix it, the next thing to check is your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection is stable, because Google Drive can throw a server error if your connection is weak, dropping, or unstable. If possible, test another website to confirm your internet is working properly. Once you've confirmed the connection looks fine, move on to your browser. Open Google Chrome settings and then use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl, Shift, and Delete to open the Clear Browsing Data menu. This step is important because corrupted cache files can sometimes cause Google Drive to load incorrectly or trigger server errors. In the Clear Data window, make sure you select Cached Images and Files. You don't usually need to clear everything unless you want to, but cached images and files are the key option here. After that, click Clear Data and wait for the process to finish. Once the cache is cleared, go back to Google Drive and try loading the page again. If the error is still there, sign out of your Google account and then sign back in. This can refresh your session and fix account-related loading problems that may be causing the server encountered an error message. After signing back in, return to Google Drive and check whether it opens normally. In many cases, one of these steps will solve the issue: refreshing the page, checking your connection, clearing cached files, or re-signing into your account. If you're still having trouble after trying all of these, the issue may be temporary on Google's side, so waiting a little while and trying again later can also help. But most of the time, these quick steps are enough to get Google Drive back to normal. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more easy troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.